These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Burke, without all the chafing from their scales. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! We're coming! Hey, Toothless, are they hauling faster, or is it just me? Sheep! Watch out for the sheep! Oh, nice, a growicle nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know. Stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't be here when these hits hatch. Oh, not good. Take cover! I'm dying! This is living! Your flying was very impressive, and I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless?